Bienvenidos, welcome to you all to this new lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn if someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? If someone asks you in Spanish, ¿Qué hora es? How will you respond to them? Tell me, what time is it? It's 4 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, or it's quarter past 2, 7, it's quarter to 9. ¿Qué hora es? Try to pronounce after me each and every sentence. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? Es la una. Es la una. Es la una. It's 1 o'clock. If someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? You can say them. Es la una. Son las dos. Son las dos. Son las dos. It's 2 o'clock. Es used with singular. Son used with plural. Son las cuatro. Son las cuatro. It's 4 o'clock. Son las cuatro. Son las 9. Son las 9. Son las 9. It's 9 o'clock. If someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? You can say them. Son las 9. Or son las 4. Or son las 2. Or es la 1. Whatever which hour is, you can say after the number in Spanish, son las, then a number in Spanish. Son las cuatro, son las cinco, son las 9, son las 7. Whatever you want to tell. Now, son las 9:15. Son las 9:15. Son las 9:15. Now you can see the difference in cuarto and cuatro. Cuatro means 4, but cuarto means quarter past. Son las 9:15. It's quarter past 9. Or you can say it's 8:45. Son las 7:15. Son las 7:15. Son las 7:15. It's quarter past 7 or 6:45. Sorry, it's not. Sorry. Son las 9:15. Means it's quarter past 9. It means 9:15, not 8:45. It's 9:15. Son las 9:15. It's quarter past 9. 9:15. And it's same with this. Son las 7:15. Cuarto. It's 7:15. It means 7:15, not 6:45. It means 7:15. Son las 5:30. Son las 5:30. Son las 5:30. It means it's 5:30. If someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? You can say to them, Son las 5:30. It's 5:30. Son las 7:30. It's 7:30. Son las 8:30. It's 8:30. Son las 2:30. It's 2:30. Son las 5:30. It's 5:30. Son las 11:30. Son las 11:30. Son las 11:30. It's 11:30. It's 11:30. Son las 9:45. Son las 9:45. Son las 9:45. It's 9:15. Or you can say it's 8:45. If someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? You can say to them, son las 9:15. Or son las 3:15. Or son las 5:15. It's 4:45. Son las 5:15. It's 4:45. Or 4:45. Son las 9:15. It's 8:45. Son las 3:15. It's 2:45. Son las 3:23. Son las 3:23. It's 3:23. Son las 4:40. Son las 4:40. It's 4:40. If you want to say 4:25. If you want to say 4:25, then you can say son las 4:25. If you want to say 2:20, you can say son las 2:20. Now, son las 4:40. It's 4:40. Now, it's practice time or review time. You have to do this exercise by your own. Don't cheat from previous slides. Exercise. Or pause the video if you need more time. Now, son las 9:30. It means it's 9:30. Son las 9:30. It's 9:30. And son las 7. Son las 7. It means it's 7 o'clock. Now again, exercise time. Tell me. ¿Qué hora es? No. Son las 3. Son las 3. It means it's 3 o'clock. Son las 9. Son las 9. It means it's 9 o'clock. Now, again, tell me, ¿qué hora es? No. Son las 2:10. Son las 2:10. It means it's 2:10. It's 2:10. Son las 2:10. No. Son las 9:16. Son las 9:16. It means it's 9:16. Felicidades! Congratulations! In this lesson, you have learned if someone asks you, ¿Qué hora es? You can answer to them. What time is it? Tell me. ¿Qué hora es? Review as much as possible. Felicidades!